everyone, welcome once again to Learning Station. In today's video, we are going to learn the expression spill the beans. Spill the beans refers to revealing or disclosing some secret information. In other words, this expression is used when you tell someone a secret.
We're all set for the surprise party tonight. Be sure not to spill the beans.
Oh my, here comes Susan. Don't say a word before her because she's sure to spill the beans.
I am always with Peter because I'm scared that he might spill the beans and we might get into trouble.
For more such videos, please do watch our channel. So until meeting you next time, it's Nima and the team at Learning Station signing off. Bye-bye.